Welcome to our Robotic Expo. My name is Prabhas. I am studying in 5th standard. This is a rainbow. This robot consists of servo motor, level sensor, frames, support, LED, etc. Servo motor is an activate moving 0 to 180 degree. Its work based on pulse width modulation is on and off system. Level sensor is used to measure the water level. The rain card robot is based to the no rain the cloth wet in sunlight. No rain following the cloth hot moving shapeless. Social media input of the robot bit used to home world match anywhere. Thank you.